Hey gamers, this is Uday Karthik. In this video I am going to show you that I have cloned the world most hardest game that have been made by SamHogan. I was inspired by his video, then I wanted to make the same game on my own. So I experimented a lot and made the game within a month. I will show you how I did. I will play the game for you so you can know how I made it. If you want me to make a devlog video how I made this, please tell me in the comment section. So I will make a devlog series about how I made this game. First I am going to show you the easy mode. Here you can see that I have cloned exactly like he made it in the Android game. Here it also have the hardest mode which he has in his game. It will automatically rotate the arrow. And it also have the impossible mode. If anyone wants me to know how I made this game, please ping me in the comment section so I can make a devlog series that how I made this game by inspiring the person who made this game. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Fusion and Tricks for more tutorial about Unity. If you like this video, smash the subscribe button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to tell me that if you want to know how I made this game, please ping me in the comment section. So depending upon your comments, I can make a devlog series about it.